Connecting to your marketplace in MyAlice is very simple. All you have to do is go into settings and then go to the marketplace menu. From here, you'll be able to select any marketplace of your choice which you want to connect with MyAlice. Let's assume that you have a WooCommerce store and you want to connect it to MyAlice. What you have to do is click on install and then paste the store URL. This you will receive from your store's URL. If you go to it, your URL will be here. You copy it and paste it over here and click on next. On that, you're going to be seeing an approval menu or modal like this. From here, you have to approve. And then if you choose, you can not. If you choose, you can skip this part and create the web chat plugin later. We recommend you do it right now. So click on yes, and then copy this plugin key. You have to paste this plugin key in the plugin settings of your admin panel in WooCommerce, or for other e-commerce, you have to do it in another admin panel. Let's go to WooCommerce right now. I have to just paste this key and save the changes. And once you're done, you have to come back here and check it. If it's verified, you go to channel settings, and that's it. Your marketplace will be installed and it will be connected as you can see over here. Thank you.